Okay, so it's my pleasure to welcome you all here to the Mathematics Department graduation ceremony. So to welcome you all, parents, faculty, and of course our students and graduates. So since we have a long program in front of us, so let me just introduce our chairman, Professor Takhtajan.
Thank you, Sasha. First of all, on the behalf of the Mathematics Department, let me congratulate our graduates, their family, their friends with this remarkable achievement. We all are proud of you, and this is really a great moment in your lives. So, congratulations. Like several times I was using to say, although it's a kind of a secret, that you've chosen the best major ever possible. This major opens enormous perspectives for you. You can do basically anything you want, meaning you can do research, you can teach mathematics at the high school level, at the college level, you can use your mathematical skills and abilities in everyday's life, you can think about fundamental problems of numbers, of geometry, so everything is open for you. And as we know, and you were probably taught, like in math courses, that mathematics is universal. It's a universal language of everything, meaning that it has no beginning, has no end. It is used everywhere in all parts of human activities, and so you will just continue using the knowledge and skills you obtained in the future. And some people are saying that probably mathematics is dull because, well, you do calculus, linear algebra, differential equations, all this is known, there is no problems to solve, everything been solved, so really there is nothing to do. And this is really so wrong. Of course, as you know, there are some, of course, many difficult, sophisticated problems in modern mathematics for which you need to go to graduate school, spend several years there, then you will understand how these problems are even formulated. And then someone, sometime, will solve them. But in fact, there are very old problems which can be explained to everybody. And so if someone asks you that what are some can you explain me some mathematical problem which has not been solved? Well, there are plenty. And let me give you the simplest example, which goes back maybe to 400 years BC, essentially. This goes back to Euclid, who was the great mathematician. He did many things, and in particular, he studied numbers, just the usual natural numbers as we know, like 1, 2, 3, and so on. Then there are prime numbers, the numbers which have no divisors except 1 in themselves, like 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and Euclid proved that there are infinitely many prime numbers. They're like building blocks of everything, so they're like every number can be factored as a product of prime numbers, and there are infinitely many of them. But then some of these numbers come in pairs, like 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 11 and 13, and so on. They're called twins. And then Euclid asked, is it true that there are infinitely many twins, twin primes? Nobody knows. And nobody even has a clue how to attack this problem. There is another problem which goes back to Euclid about perfect numbers, also very simple. Take, say, number 6 and add its divisors. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Such number is called perfect. Then take number 28. Add all its divisors. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14. You get 28. And so such numbers, such numbers whose sum of the divisors is the given number are called perfect. Euclid asked, is it true that there are infinitely many perfect numbers? Nobody knows. And so you see, there are a lot of problems in front of you, very sophisticated modern problems and very old classical problems. And so mathematics is thriving, and it's like a field which was alive, is alive, and will like stay forever. And of course, mathematics has applications to everyday life, as you all know. Like this building itself manifests that mathematics can be very useful. Also, I can give you another example. You all well know that some time ago, two young graduate students at Stanford, they were planning to create some search engine. And then for the search engine, you need some good algorithm. And in order to get this algorithm, which was kind of the crucial part in the Google success, they asked actually a father of one of the founders, who is a mathematician himself. He is a professor at Maryland. And then he came up with a very clever algorithm which helped them to distinguish their search engine from other existing engines. So that's another use of like basic mathematics in everyday's life. And so now I think from now you see and know that really mathematics is the thing that everything is built on it. I think it's time to stop. So once again, I'd like to congratulate you all. And now I'd like to ask our graduate director, Professor Claude Lebrun, to present awards for doctoral students.
Well, it's a great pleasure and honor to be able to give several awards which are designated for graduate students. The first award is for a first or second year student in our doctoral program, and it is the Chairman's Award for Excellence in Teaching. This award is being given to Sonia Nadich. Is she here? The second award is designated for a student finishing a PhD, and it is the Chairman's Award for Excellence in Teaching by a graduating PhD student. This award goes to Pedro Solorzano. Congratulations. The last award is also designated for a student finishing a doctorate, and it is the Chairman's Award for Outstanding Research. This award goes to Tsiyu Tian.
Okay. Now I would like to invite Nadia Kennedy to present awards for students in teacher education program.
I'm very pleased to announce the recipient of the Judy Wiegand Award for Excellence in Teaching, and it is given to a student graduating from the Mathematics Teacher Education Program. And the recipient is Ala Karem Abdel Hafez. Congratulations.
It's now time to recognize those students who are being awarded either a PhD or a Master of Arts in the PhD program. So the first of our graduates is Somnath Basu. I might add that some of these students are actually finishing their degrees in August, and we are simply announcing their names in anticipation of their finishing. The second PhD recipient is Luca Di Cerbo. Next, Ilya Elson. Robert Findley. Wei-Shin Guo. Ritwik Mukherjee. Young Woo Nam. And finally, I come to a name of someone who's actually here, Pedro Solorzano. Will you please come up again? Key Song and Andrew Stempson. Congratulations. And finally, Ziyu Tian. Two students in this doctoral program are also receiving degrees of Master of Arts today. The first of them is Sonia Nadich. And the other is Michael Williams. Congratulations, graduates.
And I'm pleased to announce the names of the students graduating with Master of Arts in Teaching Mathematics. Congratulations to all of you. Ala Karem Abdel Al-Hafez. Larry Chang. Adrian Ko. Congratulations. Christopher Corby. Shannon Flatley. Timothy Fox. Carol Giancana. Glenn Habibi. Congratulations. Catherine Helfand. James Lynch. Caitlin Madden. Anne McCormack. Congratulations. James Steinert. And Paul Varugesi. Congratulations.
Good morning. I'm pleased to read you the names of the students who've earned the Master of Arts in our secondary teacher option. As today is a school day, and these are all teachers, none of them are here, but let me read their names. Alessandra Abale, Melissa Biggle, Susan Biggle, Meredith DeFelice, Eric Dornichnik, Gregory Gosselin, Stanley Hanscom, Sarah Hauschild, Stephanie Kenny, Jacqueline Labazetta, Jennifer Perez, Jacqueline Perota, Robert Romano, and Christine Rosado. So I hope they can hear your applause in their far-off classrooms. Thank you.
Okay, it is now my turn and my pleasure to present the awards to undergraduate students. So there are several of them. So they are supposed to be by year, but it's not always very strict because some of you are transfer students. So anyway, so let me read the names, and I should apologize if I don't get the pronunciation of your name just right. So the first award is the Kugasa Memorial Award to freshmen, which is awarded to a freshman student, and it goes to Shuyan Tang. So the second is the Kugasa Memorial Award, which goes to sophomore student, and that goes to Rian Yi. Then the Kugasa Memorial Award to a junior student, which goes to Karen Lee. Here. And Kugasa Memorial Award for a senior student, which goes to Jingyu Zhao. And now we have two more awards. There is a Stony Brook Foundation Award for Excellence in Mathematics, which this year is awarded to Kevin Sackel. And the final award is the award for our banner bearer, who this year is Robert Castellano. Okay, and now it is. Now I'll present the diplomas, well, which are not, of course, the real diplomas, but that's the best we can give you right now before all the formalities are done. So I'll present the diplomas to our undergraduate student, or those, well, who are no longer actually undergraduate students, but right now are bachelors of science. So the list is rather long, and as before, some of the students cannot be here, and for some of the students I have to apologize if I don't get the name right. But so let me begin. So Tala Ali, okay, Peter James Berde, Robert Thomas Castellana, summa cum laude. Okay. Anand Chandran. Okay. Ho Chen, magna cum laude. Carson Chung, Konstantin Shmakov, Michael Myung-Shik Choi, Gui Benjamin Chitowski, summa cum laude. Okay. Richard Edward Darienzo, Cyrus Diego Faruggi, Brian Drew Farur, Hank Feng, Yixin Gang, cum laude, Leo Charles Gibbons III, I-King Huang, Amma Richard James, Annelise Mercedes Jones, okay, Keith Vincent Kamer, Rondell Bradley King, Christopher Amedeo Klimas, Thomas Stephen Kant, Hyu-King Kwon, Sang-Gyun Lim, Nicole Marcosiana, Andrew Marchese, diploma magna cum laude, okay. Tiago Remisia Marinheiro, Christina Lynn Marzan, Desiree Matthew, Kevin Patrick McBride, magna cum laude, Naomi Mizuno, Justin William Nelson, Christopher Mark Alzhevsky, Usman Oiba, Nicholas Gerard Panibianco, Thomas Michael Rao, magna cum laude, Danielle Nicole Rapp, Patrick Richard Rowan Jr., Alison Lynn Schuler, Shayla Roy Shafik, Gregory Smith, Melissa Rose Steinman, Nicholas Valente, magna cum laude, Brittany Verleza, magna cum laude, Thomas Eric Wiedebeck, summa cum laude. Carmelina Villarde. Ryan Leif Walsh. Ryan is not here. Da Young. And Jingyu Zhao, summa cum laude. Okay, and that completes my list. So.
And also, she just came in, so you could give her award.
Oh, okay. So I believe that Shuyan Tang just came in the room. Is she in? Oh, so there is an award waiting for you. So come and get it.
And I'm going to read the names of these graduating students from the Mathematics Education Program with a Bachelor of Science degree. Please come as you hear your name. Some of these graduating students are receiving both their master and bachelor degree at the same time. Ala Karem Abdel Hafez. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Adrian Ko. David Jacofei, cum laude. Yeah. Caitlin Madden, cum laude. Thomas Mead. Frank Miata. Daniela Monroig. Andrew Plagainos. Diana Sinisgali. And Paul Varugese, magna cum laude. Congratulations. Congratulations to all of them.
Well, thank you to everybody for this ceremony. It was very nice and great. And so if you like to see it again, this is first time that we are recording this whole procedure. And so you can see it on our website. It will be like online, so you can just have it. These memories will stay with you forever. And also, let me make an announcement that at 10:30 there will be like a line-up for the official ceremony, and that mathematics is in group number 2. The post number is 14, and the seating sections are E and F. So once again, congratulations and enjoy the refreshments outside. Thank you all.